September 14 orang ras bahas diwas juga di anggota TV ra sundichu अच्छी चीज sundichu ना चिदांग ni September 14 yana da sholo ro juga na sholo na kala leap year sholo.
Good morning to the school founder, Ms. Karla and her friends, teachers, staff and my beloved students. We all are very glad and gathered to celebrate Children's Day. At this auspicious occasion, I would like to speak on the Children's Day. Children become the happiness of the society and future seeds of every nation. We cannot ignore their involvement and contribution in the life of parents, teachers, and other related people through the life. They are blessed with their beautiful eyes, innocent activities, and smiles. Children's Day is celebrated every year to pay tribute to all the children all over the world. Tashi Orphan School is an organization for the welfare of the children. The name of this organization is given after when Guru Bajrang Lama founded it in 2005. This is an organization which works day and night for the needy children to help them get a good education, food, shelter, medication, etc. It also helps them socialize with the outside world. To make this day memorable one and to entertain every kids of our school, we, with the teamwork of all the teachers and staffs, have come up with small singing and games event. I hope we will succeed in entertaining and making you happy with our program. Lastly, I would like to wish you a happy Children's Day. Thank you very much.
सबैलाई मेरो नमस्कार साथै बाल दिवसको अवसरमा शुभकामना। आदरणीय यस स्कुलका संस्थापक श्री तासी लामाज्यू, प्रिन्सिपलज्यू, मेरा शिक्षक साथीहरू, अतिथिज्यू र मेरा साना साना भाइ बहिनी सबैलाई मेरो न्यानो अभिवादन। आज 2074 साल भाद्र 29 गते विश्व बाल दिवसको अवसरमा रूपमा चिनिन्छ। यस बाल दिवसको अवसरमा सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी महानुभावहरूलाई मेरो शुभकामना। हाम्रो कर्तव्यलाई भुलेनौँ भने अवश्य पनि हाम्रो जीवन सफल हुन्छ। यही शक्ति हामी सबैलाई भगवान रिम्पोछे अर्थात् भगवान दलाई लामाले हामीलाई शक्ति प्रदान गरून् भन्दै सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थीको जीवन उज्जवल होस् को कामना गर्दै यस मञ्चबाट बिदा हुन चाहन्छु। धन्यवाद।
See you cry, lying on the bed. respected Principal Gengaula, Headmistress Miss Mitrala, and respected teachers, member, and my beloved friend of this school. Today, on the behalf of all the students, would like to thanks for our teachers on the behalf of Fashion family. As our teacher, they work day to night for the sake of children. Once school time's over, they might intend to go for entertainment, but they sacrifice their time because of us. They have to prepare themselves the course for tomorrow. They can't get any leisure time to spend their days with friends. Likewise, yesterday they have been practicing dancing and also prepared some performance for today's special program. Today we saw our performance, which was awesome, amazing, and unbelievable. All of your effort, which we have mentioned above, for that we would like to express our hearty thanks to all of our dearest teachers. Thank you once again for all your effort and advice you have given us. We will try our best to follow each and every word you have spoken for us. Thank you.
Nasi todamba genting the tirada gendembala taranasi nasi jinchewe gegen number sodang ni topo tomo number sala sampai tes disiki tiring ngai ken number ko tin nachate dokter thambai ngone gegen number sala ni tujun namu sini thikasi la chokwachi Teslope digisi me wai nagare watu nyamdum cha badi sangma yong sigi mare nyamdum watu nagare shen tenging kegen sangko design thoki mare an cheza di da lobja disi usu nagi na kire bachile usu nagi na an cheza ngan sangma kare ten sing sangma ten sunne kela kuche yuding ne pe an cheza madam sik changlu chi shen sangma ten sun